Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So as you know, we have you guys probably don't even know we have a indoor basketball court right here by the living room area. As you see, there's a mini basketball. There is our basketball backboard with the rims. And unfortunately, that one is for the kids. So we're going to upgrade it to the 44-inch backboard. I know there are so many different sizes, 48, 51, 54. But we're just going to go with the 44-inch since that one's more affordable. And that one is supposed to be for garage or the roof. So I'm going to go to the Walmart and pick one up, and then we're going to install it, and hopefully it's going to work, because that one is kind of wobble already. Let's see. Well, you know what I mean. Again! Again! So actually, I'm going to go upstairs and then show you guys what is the broken parts. So here we are at the upstairs. As you can see, wow, one of my stair rod is lifted up. And then this is some of the broken piece that the hinges from the, I don't know, found it somewhere. So I put it together. So the impact was so strong, so it finally broke this piece. So that's kind of dangerous. So, and I screw this down. And I got some of the foam right here to prevent from noise and stuff like that, but it's still kind of loud. So yeah, this is kind of Mickey Mouse. So hopefully I might have to buy some of the hardware for the new one that I'm gonna get, because I don't think it comes with the hardware. So we'll see from there. So let's go ahead and then go to Walmart and then get a new backboard with the new rims. Let's go. All right, YouTube. So we just got here at Walmart, trying to pick up the basketball backboard. And then the basketball combo. First of all, I need to go get a car first. Excuse me, where's your basketball backboard and stuff like that?
Right around the corner over here. There's the basketball, so look down there on the end.
Okay, thank you so much. Oh, yeah. So there are all the basketball backboard right here. And I'm just looking for the basketball backboard only, not the post and everything. So oh yeah, this is the one right here. There you go, I got it. Nice. Hopefully I set this up today. That's good price. It's all online. It's like freaking $59.99. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and check out right now. Got this 44-inch impact backboard combo with the rims. Alright, so I'm gonna do unboxing for this Lifetime 44-inch impact backboard and then rim combo. Okay. I picked this up at the local Walmart for only $47.44, and then the tax is $4.15, so total is $51.59. When I was checking online, it shows $59.99, and I was gonna go ahead and get it anyway, and I'm actually glad that it was only like 47 something plus tax. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. And then this is for beginner. They have an intermediate, advanced, and then a pro. So wow. So they come up with some screws for the rims. And then there's a bracket right here. And then there's your hoop or the net. And then they come with this Lifetime, probably some brochure. Yep. Got some like picnic table, bench, chairs, everything. Wow, they even sell storage. Benches. Patio stuff. Kayaking. What? Water sports. They have everything. And then here is your assembly instruction. Hopefully I don't need to buy any more. Hopefully I don't need to purchase a lot of hardware. Oh man, this is the one that I might purchase unless I Mickey Mouse it. The bracket. Wow, it's pretty heavy. Hopefully it's gonna stay up there. Middle. There's your loop, or the hook for the loop. For the hoop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Some of the styrofoam. So here you go, guys. This is the board that we need. So I might have to put like a, I don't know, 2x4 in the back if I don't want to buy the bracket. This bracket is too expensive. And then this is what's it look like on the back. There's 2 holes right here. That's for the bracket to screw in. And then the bottom right here is for the rims. For the rim. Well, I need to do some measurement before I put it up anyway. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up. And then be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.